2 out of 10 people will open an email, but 9.8 out of 10 people will open a text. How do you get 0.8 of a person? I'm gonna prove to you that I can make $1,000 in sales just using WhatsApp for my business. But there's one rule. I only have 3 hours to do this. Let's go. But the problem is, I can't use an existing business, so I guess I'm gonna have to start one from scratch. But that's okay, because this will be the ultimate test of whether WhatsApp for Business actually works. Okay, I'm gonna download WhatsApp for Business because right now I only have the regular WhatsApp app. I'm gonna set up my business profile. That didn't take too long. Gonna add a product. What am I gonna sell? I like the idea of a service, perhaps.
Some consulting, you've done that before.
I've done that. That's, you know what, you're on a good track here. I could sell consulting services, which would be easy. It's something that, well, it's not easy, but I like it because I feel like I got a lot of knowledge. I can share it.
You can.
And I've done it before, and I feel like that would be the best call.
Just as long as they don't find out that they do learn with Shopify and you're sharing your knowledge for free on this channel.
No, this is special. This is special knowledge. That is, yeah.
This is
no one else gets that.
Learn with Michelle.
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, perfect.
Special knowledge.
Okay, so we don't have time. What am I gonna sell? I've decided I'm gonna sell my brain. I'm gonna sell consultation services, and I'm gonna do it for $300 for a 50-minute session. I'm just gonna make a product on WhatsApp, and I'm gonna sell 50 minutes consultation, $300, boom, 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 quick and easy. But what's not quick and easy is, where am I gonna find these customers? Obviously, social media. Let's go to social media. Okay, so I just reached out to a bunch of people on Instagram, and I'm a little disappointed because a lot of them didn't get back to me. And one guy even said that it was a little too expensive for him. But wait, we have a taker. Okay, this is perfect. So I'm gonna add them as a contact on WhatsApp and see if they will make that $300 purchase. They stopped responding. So I've made $0 and I only have 1 hour left. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. I feel like I need to come up with a better strategy. Okay, so I decided to get tea and waste 10 minutes of my time, but I need to clear my head. I need to clear my head and think about what I'm gonna do. And what I decided was I'm gonna put like an offer in the status of my WhatsApp so that people can see that I'm running some sort of a discount, and that will maybe incentivize people to buy. Oh my God, Chris, we made a sale. I did undersell myself, but you know, we had to get closer to the $1,000 mark. We got to make a quota here. So far, guys, we've made $50. Okay, I mean, urgency is one of the most powerful aspects of human psychology, and I feel like it's gonna make customers, you know, want to act quickly, but also at the same time, like, I can't be selling my services for this little. That guy got way too good of a deal. So we got to find a balance. Okay, so now we're gonna make it a fair price now. Let's do a little limited time offer, and then we can throw in like a bonus, like a free PDF as a resource for whoever signs up for the consultation, and I feel like that should do it. Okay, so that actually worked. We got another 2 sales. Yay! We are now at $650, so that brings us a little bit closer to our target. Yay, breakthrough. Okay guys, I was able to make one more sale. So now we have $850. So I had an hour left and I thought I was in the clear until 3 people asked for their money back. One guy said that he changed his mind. So how much does that leave us with? That leaves us with $100. That's definitely not $1,000. That's not even half. Okay, let me go online. Let me see what other tips and tricks WhatsApp Business has for us. Okay, so I'm reading right here. Tip number 1, set up a business profile. Check, we got that. Tip number 2, make products available to buy. Duh, got that. Then guys, we offered a discount, so we're doing all the right things. But what other features and tricks and tips does WhatsApp have for us? Okay, so here it's saying set up quick replies. And I think that's such a smart idea because remember all those people that I reached out to at the beginning, like those bunch of people? Honestly, I haven't gotten back to a lot of them just because it was so overwhelming. So I feel like quick replies is gonna be really helpful because I have the same questions over and over again. So if I set up quick replies, I can give the same canned responses to those people and hopefully speed up our process since we are running out of time. So basically, quick quick replies are pre-made responses to common questions. So if you're getting the same question over and over again, this is gonna be really helpful in making your workflow a lot faster. So watch how I set this up. And guys, I'm basically just answering common questions like, what do your services include? And I'm gonna say, my services include a one-on-one session to help you get your questions answered for your business. Okay, so we only have 30 minutes left, guys, and I think the best use of our time would be to start automating even more things, because I really like that. So what we can do is we can start sending automated messages to certain groups of people. So let's say, for example, we have a new customer, they can get an automated welcome message. Or let's say, for example, we have someone that has started a checkout, but they didn't actually purchase, they're gonna get like an abandoned cart message. So I think that's a really smart way to use our time. Oh, and you know what? Of course, we should make an automated message that thanks people for making a purchase. So let me get that set up, and you're gonna see on screen right here with me to see how I do it if you guys do wanna learn. Okay, so the automated messages are already going out, and this feels so weird. Guys, look at my screen. Those are all automatic messages. How cool is that? Okay, I'm really glad we did that because an automated message actually closed a sale. So that was actually super successful, but I do think we gotta start thinking even bigger than that. I feel like we gotta run an ad. Let's run an ad. I know, so crazy now that you can actually advertise on WhatsApp. It's actually pretty cool, but we don't have much time, so we gotta really go into this fast. So what I'm gonna do, and you follow along with me, is I'm going to click on these 3 dots right here on the top right-hand corner. Then I'm gonna click on business tools. Okay, got it. Now, advertisement, got it. And now I can see my catalog, but if you haven't created a catalog, don't worry. You can just, go in with the option to upload photos or videos just like this here. Let's add one extra service. Let's do an intro call. I think that's gonna be like a nice lead in. So I'll add photos here, and now I'm gonna add in the description and the price. So I'm glad you're seeing this so that you can kind of like see how you would add a service on the fly. And then here's where you select the budget. So let's try this. And then I'm gonna run it for a few days since this is a bit of a shorter test, but like you can run it for up to 30 days, which is great. And now I'm gonna say who I'm gonna advertise to. So I'm gonna advertise to males, yep. I'm gonna add females in as well. This is the age range, interest groups.
Oh, 3 hours is up, out of time.
Oh no, we're out of time, guys. Time is up, but basically all I had to do to finish off that ad was to just finish picking my audience and then actually run the ad. So how much did we make? Drum roll, please. We made $100. That is not $1,000. That's 10% to our goal. Not what we set out to do, but at least, guys, you got some hacks and how to set up your WhatsApp for a business. And I hope that this video was helpful in that regard. Even though we didn't meet our goal, we still learned some things along the way. Okay, back at the desk. Let's talk about why this didn't work as well as we thought it would. And also how you guys can be better than me. First learning, the ad didn't even have enough time to run. There needs to be time to approve the ad, and then the algorithm needs to go into the learning phase, which can take days. So that's one thing. Secondly, I just didn't have enough time. It takes days, sometimes months to close a sale. So lesson learned. Plus, I also think that on WhatsApp, selling physical products would work better here just because the product catalog is so visual that the photos would have been better for a physical product. Shopify is probably gonna be better for selling a service if you are selling a service. If you're not familiar with what Shopify is a tool that helps you create an online store so that you can sell services and your physical stuff too. So if you are interested in Shopify, I will leave a link for you guys in the description box so that you can try that out. That's gonna be like a free trial, no pressure, just thought I'd pop it in here if you want it. But back to it, so if we're talking WhatsApp is great because it is so popular worldwide, especially in India. It has over 2.7 billion monthly active users, and of those, 400 million users are in India alone. And I know that when I went to India, that seemed to be the main way that people were communicating. Now, if you've collected a lot of contacts in your WhatsApp, this could work better for you than it did for me because, I didn't really have that customer base there. That was another one of my pitfalls. But remember, building an audience, It's gonna take time, it's gonna take effort. You just have to stay consistent and adapt to your audience preferences and provide value to create a thriving WhatsApp community. If you guys think you can do a better job than me, do it. Do it up. I challenge you guys. So yeah, that was today's video. How did you like this challenge style? Should we do it again? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. The channel that you're watching right here is called Learn with Shopify. It is an official Shopify channel. So if you're on your online solopreneur, entrepreneur journey, then make sure that you're hitting subscribe because we make content just like this every week. So yeah, guys, I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Peace.